Hey, in today's video, I will be showing you how you can convert horizontal video, that is 16 by 9 video, into a vertical video. The software I use to achieve this is free and it is called Capcut. You can get it on Play Store and install it on your system. So this is the vertical horizontal video. So here is the vertical video. At least you can use it for your TikTok and Instagram, Facebook reel. So I'm going to show you how I actually achieve that. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. I open CapCut and I'm going to install the horizontal video, and here it is. You could see it here. And the next thing I am gonna do is that I'm going to convert it into a vertical. So I click on the vertical video, especially the timeline, and then I click on the back and then I scroll and you see something like ratio. So under the ratio you can convert it into different one. We could see a TikTok one 9:16. You can convert it to Instagram too. By the time you do that, it's gonna slow, and then just use your hand to pinch it, and here we go. It has been converted into a vertical video. So next thing you have to do is to actually export this, and you will begin to make use of it. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.